Welcome to EDU Aero Classroom. In this tutorial, we will learn about birds' beaks. Different kinds of birds have different kinds of beaks, and all beaks are hard but they differ in size and shape. So, first is short, hard and horny beaks. Birds like sparrow, pigeon, peacock, etc. have short, hard and horny beaks for crushing seeds and grains. Now, strong hook beaks. Birds like eagles, owls, kites, etc. have strong hooked beaks for eating flesh of other animals. These birds are called birds of prey. Now, curved beaks. Birds like parrot, hornbills, lovebirds, etc. have curved beaks. It helps it to crack nuts and hard fruits. Now, straw-like and thin beaks. Hummingbirds and sunbirds have slightly curved, straw-like thin beaks for sucking honey from flowers. Now, soft and broad beaks. Small bird like swallows are small birds which have soft and broad beaks. Their mouth and tongue are very sticky. So, swallows move round in the air, keeping their beaks open. Then small insects enter in their mouth. Now, long and pincer beaks. A hoppy has a long and pincer beak for pulling out insects from their hiding places, such as holes in the ground. Cattle egret is also an insect eater. Now, strong and scissor-shaped beaks. Woodpecker has a strong and chisel-shaped beak for drilling hole through the bark of the trees. Now, broad and flat beaks with strainers. Birds like ducks and swan have flat and broad beaks with strainers. They allow mud and water to run out from the beak, trapping worms and water plants within their mouth. Now, long beak. Kingfishers, gulls, etc. have long beaks for catching fish. They are expert divers.